Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can hide songs on Spotify. So let's just get straight into it. Okay, so I'm going to open up Spotify, and the thing to keep in mind here is that when you want to hide a song on Spotify on a certain playlist, it has to be from a playlist that you didn't create. If you want to delete or hide a song on a playlist that you created, then you can simply just delete the song from the playlist. Okay, so let me go into a playlist right now. So I'll go into this top songs 2021, and then I'll just click on more where it says all the songs. This will show you all the lists of all the songs within the playlist. Let's just say, for an example, I want to hide this driver's license by Our Last Night. All you need to do, you can see three vertical dots on the right hand side of the song title. If you tap on those three dots, you'll now notice that you see it says hide song right there. All you need to do is tap on hide the song, and you can see it's now being grayed out, and that song will no longer play when that playlist is playing. And that's basically all there is to it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.